Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say the name of this famous historical French architect. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced and useful French vocabulary too, more French names, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. Of course, the famous Paris Tower was named after his designer, his architect, or its architect, Eiffel. Eiffel is how you say his first name was Gustave. Gustave Eiffel, or La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Eiffel is how you say this name, and now you know, I hope. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments, and by using the like button, more videos on how to pronounce more useful French names and French vocabulary whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.